Hi everyone, I'm Daniela Cota. I am a research director at the INSERM Neurocentre Magendie in Bordeaux, in France, and I'm one of the co-organizers of the next Keystone Symposia on the Neurobiology of Ingestive Behavior, which will be held in Pacific Grove, California in April 2025. Together with the other co-organizers, Professors Dana Small and Timo Müller, we really wanted to provide an interdisciplinary setting where to hear experts in neuroscience, neurometabolism, neuroendocrinology, and pharmacology to speak about the latest advances made in understanding how the brain controls feeding behavior, and then how this mechanism may represent a target for treatment. So in particular, given the recent development of novel therapy that will likely have transformative impact for the treatment of obesity, it was essential for us to provide insight about this new class of drugs and their therapeutic action through brain mechanism. So we aimed at having both academia and industry speakers, as well as scientific leaders carrying out fundamental research and research in humans with a clinical perspective. Personally, I'm really curious to hear about the latest studies on disentangling the neuronal pathways that drive behaviors that actually compete with eating behavior. And I'm also intrigued by the panel discussion that we have set up, which focuses on the current gaps between academic research and clinical implementation, and how then these gaps may be actually filled. My hope is that this meeting will help provide a new perspective, and that it will help raise new questions on the neurobiology of eating behavior. So the expectation is that this greater understanding will then lead to novel discoveries for therapy, not only for obesity, as I already mentioned, but also for eating disorders like anorexia nervosa or complex conditions like cancer cachexia. I always loved being a part of a Keystone meeting because thanks to the format, I had the opportunity, to go talk to the speaker, to meet a lot of different people in a very friendly environment. And that is something that I think researchers, people that come to this type of meetings also are looking forward to. And also I wanted to remind everyone that we will have specific moments throughout the conference that are being dedicated to early career scientists. Thanks to career roundtables, the short talks, the poster sessions. And maybe, by the way, I can remind you the deadlines for sending in your abstracts and participate to the conference. So we have January the 23rd for the short talks and March 31st for poster presentations. I believe that this is a unique meeting because we really made an effort in bridging together basic translational and clinical research applied to eating physiology and pathology. And this, I honestly think, that will offer new perspectives for the study of brain mechanisms that guide eating behavior. So it's true, I do think that this should appeal to a large audience. So academics, industry scientists, clinical scientists. I really hope that we will have some clinical scientists that will be participating. We do have some clinicians among our international speakers. And therefore, I also think that this will touch a chord with early career scientists. And I think that this is all for what I can say. I really hope to see everyone in Pacific Grove. Thank you.